Hey everybody, it's Dad, and I have a special guest star with me. It's Chewy. Say hi, Chewy. So, okay, Chewy, you gotta be quiet. So, I've been working on... Are you done? Chewy's got a lot to say. Okay, we're done with... Chewy, be good. Shh, stop.
Want me to put in a place quiet?
Okay, Chewy's quiet now. So, this video is going to be kind of weird because we're trying to wrap up as much as we can. Just finished bag 7 and 8. Bag 7, if I remember, took about 38 minutes. Bag 8 took about 48. Unfortunately, that was because I made a couple mistakes. We're now dealing with plates. They're all the bottom plates right now. I think if I remember right, bag 7 was these front plates and these pieces right here, which fit into these top sections. But the bottom, there are 2 bottom plates down in here that were actually quite hard to get on because I made a mistake on both sides. Different mistake on both ones. Took me almost 10 minutes to get the plates on until I realized how stupid I was. So, the plate under here, I'll show you, if you ever put this together, it's easier if you open up on the hinge and then push it on and then close the hinge. It gives you a little more leverage to put on. These pieces, I thought it's really cool how they did it. There's some basically floating pieces in here that just kind of sit there, and then these hook on really nicely. And then again, it's these 4 plates back here that are all, these 2 are symmetrical builds, and these 2 are symmetrical builds. So, had I not screwed up, it would have taken a lot less time. Anyways, we'll probably include some more bags in this video so we get this wrapped up a little sooner. Got anything else to say, Chewy? Hey everybody, we have now finished the... Hey everybody, we have now finished the 3rd box, and you may remember a long time ago we put all the bags in sequentially, so we've still got 1 more box to go. We finished with all the box 12s, and we've done, so the last few, or box 12, the bags that are numbered up through 12, and the last ones did these top engine sections and the sections that make the little kind of the side or kind of middle pieces on the main round, and the bottom gun, if I'm remembering right. That's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe some of the plates. It's been so long since we've done it. We're kind of trying to combine all these in one. We've obviously reset some of the timers, and so we didn't get the minutes. But bag 11 took 38 minutes. Bags 12 took, which were these top panels with the I guess they're not the engines, more like the vents. Those took 59 minutes. So again, overall, we are still about roughly on average an hour per bag, and we will see if we can finish up next time. So we'll see you later.